Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'd like to explain in this short video how to submit your assignment using either images or PDF. I would prefer that you use the PDF file because this is mostly what you are going to use when you do your midterm or final exam. So let me share the screen. Okay, so now let me log into my account. So this is ICS 253 Common. So now I will click here and I will see that there is a submission for assignment 1. If I click on it, now there are two ways. Either I can submit images if you scan your each question, or you can submit a PDF file. So let me just quickly go over submit images, but I will not do it. So basically when you come here, well, these are the images for question 1. So state the converse, contrapositive, and inverse. Of course, it has A and B. So you can just come here and you can choose the images that you would like to upload, okay? And you do that for each question. So this is one way. After you finish all of them, then you click the submit assignment. Now, let me use the other method, which is basically using submitting a PDF file. So let us submit a PDF file. Select PDF file. Now let me go to, so this is my solution to the assignment, okay, and then I will say upload PDF. Okay, so now as the file being read, what I need to do is I need to map the answer to each question to the proper page. So for example, state the converse, contrapositive, and inverse. This is question 1. This is in the first page. If you want, you can actually zoom in to see the page to make sure that, oh, so this is question 1, right? So now you can come here and you choose question 1. And of course, since question 2 is on the first page, then we are done with question 1. So now we go to the second question, construct a truth table. Well, again, just to make sure, well, this is construct a truth table. So I come back here and again, I will click on it. So now the second question has been assigned also to page 1. What is the value of X? Well, this is in page 2. So I'm going to click on it. The fourth question, 5 brothers are logged in. Let me just look at it here. So 5 brothers are logged in. So this is question 4. Now you can see here that part of the solution is on page 3 or page 2, and the continuation of the solution is on this page. So this is continuation of solution to question 4, right? So all what I need to do is I will come here. Now I have, put page 2 and page 3. I click on page 3. So now question 4 is on these two pages. Now let's see, by mistake, I hit page 4, and page 4, of course, question 4 is not, done in page 4. All what I need to do is just come here and press X. So now I have mapped the solution to question 4 to basically page 2 and page 3. If you hover the mouse, you will see which pages have been chosen. Now let's go to question 5. Now in question 5, well, question 5 is here. So let me put it here. Let's just make sure how many questions are answered here. Oops. Well, question 5 is not here. So that's good. That's an unintended mistake. So I will remove it here. Now question 5 is actually here. Let's come here. So this is question 5. And okay, so so question 5 is in page 3. Of course, it is not in page 4, so I will just remove it. Okay, so the solution of question 5 is in page 3. Now, let's see this page. Well, this page has the solutions to questions 6, 7, and 8. So I can come back here. Question 6, I will mark page 4. Question 7, I will mark page 4. Question 8, I will mark page 4. Question 8, just to make sure, there is no continuation in page 5. So page 5 contains only the answers to question 9. So I will come here and I will just say question 9, and I will choose this, and then I will do my submission. So let me just remove this. So I will say submit. Now you can use this assign pages sequentially if you answered each question on a different page. So if question 1 was on page 1, question 2 was on page 2, question 3 was on page 3, question 4 was on page 4, until you reach question 9 was on page 9. If you press this button, it will basically assign these questions to the pages sequentially. This is kind of much faster. Okay, so let me do submit. Okay, so now it says assignment 1 submitted successfully. Now, just to make sure, if you press the questions, you will see that it will go directly to the question. So you can choose this, or you can use this as verification that you have done your submission correctly. So if you go to question 1, well, this is question 1. Question 2, it stays on the same page. Question 3, well, this is question 3. Question 4, this is solution to question 4. Notice that for solution of question 4, you have this. So you know that, of course, you cannot go beyond that because question 4 is only on these 2 pages. So question 4 is mapped correctly. If you go to question 5, these are not, enabled because question 5 is on a single page, which is this page. And then if I go to question 6, on the next page, question 7, question 8, all of them are on this page, and finally question 9 is on this page. So now you have all the questions, and you verified that your submission is basically correct. Of course, you can always resubmit. Let's say, for example, you're running out of time and you're not sure whether you're going to answer all the questions at the same before the deadline. Then what you can do is you can submit, what you have now, and then you can go back, solve whatever you can solve. If you add more questions, you can resubmit the whole thing again. So save the PDF file and you can resubmit the whole PDF file again. You don't resubmit a single, you do not resubmit a single page if you are doing it using a PDF file. I hope that helps.